Good morning, all of you. This is Rachna Saxena from Faculty of Education, Tirthankar Mahavir University, Muradabad. In this lecture, I will provide the summary of my topics. Let us go for it. The evolving landscape of teacher education is being profoundly influenced by emerging trends that are reshaping instructional methods and learning environments. Among these trends, open and distance learning, e-learning, and the integration of information and communication technology (ICT) are particularly notable. Each of these developments contribute to a more flexible, efficient, and dynamic approach to teacher education, making it more accessible and effective for a diverse range of educators. This comprehensive description will explore how these trends are transforming teacher education, with a focus on their impact on accessibility, instructional methods, collaboration, and overall learning experiences. ODL has emerged as a vital component of modern teacher education, offering an alternative to traditional campus-based programs. This approach is characterized by its flexibility and accessibility, allow the educators to engage with instructional materials and training programs remotely. By overcoming geographical and logistical barriers, ODL make education available to individuals who might otherwise be unable to pursue professional development due to constraints such as location, time, or financial resources. The significance of ODL in teacher education lies in its ability to reach diverse population. In many parts of the world, especially in rural or underserved areas, access to quality education teacher can be limited. Traditional programs often require physical attendance at institutions that may be located far from where potential educators live or work. This presents a significant challenge for those who cannot relocate or communicate regularly. ODL addresses this issue by providing a learning environment that is accessible from anywhere at any time. Through online platforms, educators can access course material, participate in discussions, and complete assignments without the need to be physically present in the classroom. Furthermore, ODL supports individualized professional development, unlike traditional programs which typically follow a fixed schedule and curriculum. ODL allow the educators to progress at their own pace. This self-paced learning model is particularly beneficial for working professionals who need to balance their studies with other responsibilities such as teaching, family, or other jobs. By offering the flexibility to study when it is most convenient, ODL enables the educators to tailor their learning experience to their specific needs and goals. Another key advantage of ODL is the wide range of online resources is offered. These resources include digital textbooks, video lectures, interactive modules, and online forums, all of which contributes to a rich and varied learning experiences. Educators can access a vast array of materials that are often updated regularly to reflect the latest development in the field. This access to current high quality content ensures that educators are equipped with the knowledge and skills they need to be effective in their roles. ODL also facilitates ongoing skill development. Now, in the rapidly changing field of education, it is crucial for teachers to continuously update their skill and knowledge. ODL provide a convenient way for educators to engage in lifelong learning, whether they are seeking to acquire new skills, refresh their knowledge of a particular subject, or stay informed about the latest education technologies and methods. And this ongoing professional development is essential for educators who want to remain competitive in their careers and provide the best possible education to their students. Next is e-learning or electronic learning. E-learning E-learning or electronic learning is closely related to ODL but is distinct in its emphasis on the use of digital technologies to facilitate learning. E-learning encompasses a variety of online platforms and tools, including virtual classroom, interactive modules, and multimedia resources. This approach to teacher education leverages technology to create a dynamic and interactive learning environment that is accessible to educators regardless of their physical location. One of the primary benefits of e-learning in teacher education is its ability to provide high quality educational content. Through e-learning platforms, educators can access a wealth of resources that are designed to enhance their understanding of teaching methods, classroom management, curriculum development, and other essential aspects of education. These resources are often created by experts in the field that are available in various formats, including videos, podcasts, articles, and interactive simulations. This diversity of content allows the educators to choose a material that best suit their learning preferences and need. E-learning also support collaborative learning activities. Many e-learning platforms include features such as discussion boards, group projects, and peer review system and encourage interaction and collaboration among the educators. These collaborative tools also allow the educators to share ideas, discuss challenges, and learn from each other's experiences, regardless of where they are located. This exchange of knowledge and perspectives is invaluable for professional growth and development as it exposes educators to a wider range of teaching practices and strategies. Another significant advantages of e-learning is its flexibility. Like ODL, e-learning allows the educators to study at their own pace and own schedule. This flexibility is particularly important in teacher education, where many participants are already working professionals with busy schedules. E-learning enables these educators to engage in professional development without disrupting their existing commitments. Additionally, e-learning platforms often allow the educators to revisit materials as needed, ensuring that they can thoroughly understand and apply the concept they are learning. E-learning also enables the incorporation of innovative teaching strategies. For example, many e-learning platforms use gamification to make learning more engaging and motivating. Gamification involves the use of game-like elements such as points, badges, and leaderboards to encourage participation and achievements. This approach can make learning more enjoyable and can help educators to stay motivated as they work through challenging materials. Additionally, e-learning platforms often include adaptive learning technologies, which adjust the content and pace of instruction based on the learner's performance. This personalization ensures that educators receive the support they need to succeed, whether they are struggling with the particular concept or excelling and ready for more advanced material. Moreover, e-learning allows for the integration of diverse learning materials in a traditional classroom. The resources available to the educators may be limited by physical constraints such as the availability of textbook and other materials. In contrast, in e-learning platforms can provide access to a vast array of digital resources including multimedia presentations, interactive simulations, and online databases. This wealth of materials allows the educators to explore topics in greater depth and from multiple perspectives, enhancing their understanding and ability to apply what they have learned in their own teaching practices. This is all about my things in the topic. I have provided all the learning materials in my lectures. and you will get my lectures according to the units. Thank you so much.